tinabangay kita una-udyod ang
For 3 consecutive terms, from serving now in Congress for the last term, I have seen firsthand on how the spirit of Immaculate Lineo has made this town resilient, progressive, and full of potential. When we dream of giving every young person and the future generation a chance at a better life through education, we built our very own local college, the Immaculate.
Alright, thank you very much. Saging Central Elementary School. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Municipal Councilor, Honorable Romney Cabaroy. And now for us to be inspired, let us hear an inspirational message by our Congressman Honorable Rudy Escogdan, to be represented by Mr. Renato A. Core, former District Supervisor as his consultant for Education Affairs. Let us welcome Sir Renato A. Core. A round of applause, please.
thank you very much sa atong good MC. Of course, before anything else, I would like to greet personally the happy 71st monthly anniversary of Makilala, Honorable Mayor, the SB, spearheaded by Atty. Ryan Pangalay, the Vice Mayor, at sa kanila, si Hakawan Laguna, the Vice President Alan Kabanggan, Lucky Jane Flores, Mr. Chair, Madam Christine, and of course, the presence also of our PPCOP in the person of
si Ryan Linaw, Ma'am Divina Manigatong, of course, kay Ma'am Margie. Ang akong senior citizen, kauban na, ulit ko na kung taon-taon diha sa inyo. Ang talang teachers, pinatindans, of course, sa mga participants, sa talang-talang, mayong buntag kanino. I'm very honored being the representative of our honorable congressman. Allow me this time